Well, this is my porch. You can see how high I am up here. I'm going to give you an idea that the water rose a lot. There it is right there. There are kids playing in it. And if you come over here, you're going to see that this is my yard. Before you could see the water was not that high, but yeah, you can see that is what I'm dealing with right now. So I am hoping to gosh that it goes down. You can clearly see it right there. So this is all at 87 Cobb Street, New Milford, PA 18834 on August 9th. Yeah, this worries me. So we'll see what happens. Bye.